it's invitation only. So you're getting all of the very best teams in the nation all together under one roof. And honestly, it's just electrifying to be on a court with talent as high and at the levels that we are playing today. I mean, we're playing girls that are committed to Nebraska and Wisconsin, and my girls are getting that experience and that exposure that's just helping build their preparation for the collegiate game. So we have been very blessed to have been one of the teams that consistently finishes highest at Triple Crown, which means we typically get good selections and opportunities for hotel booking. We really appreciate the efforts that EventConnect staff has made to set our team up as close to the convention center as possible. Again, we're a Texas team, so we're not used to all the cold weather, and so just trekking over to the convention center in the snow can be challenging. So it's great to be able to be close and to be able to have that kind of first choice hotel. So thanks for that. So working with EventConnect has been great. I feel like their customer service has been really on point. They're pretty quick to respond to my emails, to phone calls. We've been able to make adjustments and reservations. Obviously, you know, we have kids that book rooms and then they get injured and they're not able to come, and they've been really helpful in facilitating changes that we've needed. But yeah, we've really enjoyed booking with EventConnect, and the process has been pretty easy and simple.